Orange bird of paradise, also known as crane flower, is a species of flowering plant indigenous to South Africa. An evergreen perennial, it is widely cultivated for its dramatic flowers. In temperate areas, it is also a popular houseplant. This is the most well-known bird of paradise, with its brilliantly colored flowers, blue-based petals arising from a dark green spathe, topped with an upright fan of bright orange sepals. In their native South Africa, these are also known as crane flowers because they resemble the head of a crowned crane. Due to the shape of its leaves, it was once classified in the banana family, but now has its own. Bird of paradise prefers full sun, but will tolerate lower light levels, such as that received from a south-facing window. They prefer 65 to 75 degrees during the day and 50 to 55 at night. They prefer moderate relative humidity around 60%, which may require daily misting during the dry winter months. If placed outside in the summer, bring them indoors when temperatures begin to drop below 60 degrees. Good companion plant suggestions for orange bird of paradise are low growers that don't require a lot of water and will let the orange bird be the star of the show. Depending on the location's sunlight, consider juniper, Asiatic jasmine, bromeliads, mondo grass, and carissa. Birds of paradise flowers are popular cut flowers, especially for summer floral arrangements, with a flowering time from March until October. They are an excellent way to make any bouquet or court piece more colorful and exotic, and are popular in marriages.